what's good YouTube, this is you, and today I got a new video for you guys. And basically today we have a new video and I'm going to show you guys how to install this slider and how to deal with it. This is an alternative for something like Revolution Slider or Slider Revolution. By the way, you can install this for free, and there is a version of Slider Revolution as well that I'm going to mention at the end of the video that I could install for free. Alright, so for Smart Slider, you can just go to plugins and then search for Smart Slider. Add in the Smart Slider and just activate it. So this is the plugin that you should be looking for. Alright, for the Smart Slider, you're just going to go into the dashboard. You're going to find like a video ad over here. Just click do not show again. You can use just the tutorial slider if you'd like, and you can make your own. So to just add in the slider, it's pretty simple. You just copy the shortcode and add it to your page. So let's say we want to add in this example. So we're just going to copy this shortcode. So Control C and just go into pages. Wherever you want to add it. Let's say I want to add it into home, so just go into edit, and you're going to see two examples of the shortcodes added before. So let's say I'm just going to add it all over again just to show it to you guys. So update, and I'm just going to refresh the page. It's going to appear. So for some reason I don't think you can use the same slider 2 times, but let me just delete the first one. Which is fine. I'm just going to update the page. So I'm going to refresh and clear cache. If for some reason this does not appear, maybe the page is just caching. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah. Okay. So this is how you add the slider in Smart Slider. All right, let's say I want to install the Revolution slider or the Slider Revolution. All right, so there's a video by Miguel Carniero. I'm not really sure if that's how you spell it. He has the like the plugin in software with the GPL license, because basically he bought the license for the plugin. So watch out his video and you could literally like get it legally. But the only downside to like installing this Slider Revolution plugin from some another user's plugin is basically here you're not gonna get any support out of the plugin at all. Like you're not gonna be able to update it, so it's not secure. So that's why I wouldn't recommend using something like this. But if you want to, you can. You're just gonna click download like a couple of times, and it's just gonna be like just wait for this. This is gonna take just a little while, and then you can install it. So yeah, as you can see over here, it just takes just a little while. Okay, so afterwards you're gonna get a file like this. It's called Revolution Slider Complete. So I can just extract it, and you're gonna find the 2 plugins over here. So Revolution Slider. So to add them, just go into plugins, and you're not gonna add it from the store because, again, like I said, you're not officially like downloading it. You're getting a copy of it from another user, which is legal, but you're not getting any updates at all. Like that user should be downloading the updates for you and giving it to you. So add new plugin, for example, and upload plugin, then browse, and then select the Revolution Slider. And same thing for the it already exists for me, so I'm just gonna let it finish, and I'm just gonna install the add-ons. So I'm just gonna go back, and I'm just gonna install the add-ons, and that's pretty much it for the sliders that you could install. And there's a lot of other sliders that you could install on the store, of course. The like the add-ons did not work, but the plugin itself worked, so you can play with it in development mode, and as well as in production. You can add it to production, but I don't recommend it because it's not the most updated one. So as you can see, the Slider Revolution license has been deactivated. So if I just close this, it is gonna work. But again, if I try to update it to the latest version, it's not gonna work. That's the only downside of it. But again, you can still use it for your website. All right, so this was Angry to you guys. Comment and like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you liked the video, and peace, you guys.